We're going to start by fitting the mesh side panels. Start by fitting each mesh panel into the 4 holes in the trolley base. Turn the trolley onto its side and fix the sides into place using the 4 M10 bolts. Tighten using a 17mm spanner. Next, we secure the mesh sides with a crossbar. Hold in place and insert the M8 bolts into each end. Tighten using a 5mm Allen key. Next, attach the ergonomic handle to the upright using the pre-drilled holes. These can be found in the middle of the upright tube. Remember to fit the ergo handle on the same side as the 2 swivel brake casters. Fix into place using the M6 bolts and a 4mm Allen key. Next, attach the 2 mesh back panels. Start tightening the bolts by hand to hold the mesh panel into place. Once all 4 bolts are in place, tighten using a 10mm spanner and the 4mm Allen key. Repeat this process to fix both mesh panels into place. Ensure that all shelf brackets are lined up so that the MDF shelf will be level. A good tip is to measure the distance between each shelf using the mesh as a guide. Carefully place the MDF shelves into the trolley, ensuring that both sides are sitting level on the brackets. Assembly videos for all of the trolley configurations can be found using the QR code printed on the assembly instructions. These are included in the handle carton.